In this video, I'm going to teach you on how to receive Bitcoin on your Binance from another wallet. So first, you need to access your Binance application on your mobile device or their website, but take note that you need to be verified for you to able to transfer or receive cryptocurrencies on Binance. So first, in my case, I will tell you that I'm not yet verified, so you can just follow these steps. It has the same steps on if you are already verified. So after that, you need to go to the assets section, which is located at the bottom right corner of your screen, and you can see this overview, and you could just click the add funds button, and under the I have crypto assets, click on the deposit crypto, and once you're in, simply use the search bar for you to able to search for Bitcoin or BTC. And once you already searched in, click the BTC, and there are much of network that you could choose. Like for example, you could receive Bitcoin in BNB Smart Chain or Ethereum network or even on Bitcoin blockchain or network. So in my case, for example, I wanted to receive Bitcoin in Bitcoin network, so I'll just click in, and Binance will automatically generate a unique wallet address for your account, as well as the QR code. So you have to copy it and paste it on another wallet for you to able to receive Bitcoin on your Binance. And that's how you receive Bitcoin on Binance from another wallet. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe so you never miss a new video. Stay awesome, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next one.